Welcome class 10. So class 10 will start with a new poem, 9 gold medals. So before we start with the poem, let me give you a brief introduction of this poem. This poem celebrates the human values, compassion, love, friendship, right? And it tells us about the true sportsmanship, what the true sportsmanship is, fine. Fine, the poem is written by David Roth. So, children, before starting the poem, let me give you a brief introduction of this. What is this? Fine, what is there in this poem? Now, see, this poem. So, before starting it, let me tell you that this poem, the event that is described here in this poem, is a Special Olympic. Fine. So, Special Olympic is the world's largest sports organization for people with disabilities. Right? So this organization helped the disabled people to develop self-confidence and social skills. Right? So this organization conducts Special Olympics World Game every 2 years and provides children and adults with intellectual disabilities year-round training. And it is a global movement. The Special Olympics aims at making a world a better, healthier and more joyful place. So it was the occasion of the Special Olympics, and the particular event that is described here is a 100-meter race. Fine, where the 9 participants were there. Yeah, the contestants have come from the different countries to participate in the event. Or the last race, that was 100-meter race, was about to begin. Fine, though these 9 participants, they practiced hard, they had trained for it for months. Yeah. So when the race started, what happened? The runners started, but one of them fall down. Fine, he lay on the ground, he crying out in pain. All his dreams are shattered over there. Why? Because all his months training has gone in vain. Now what happened? The other 8 participants, instead of running, they turned back, came, helped this man to get up, and then they join each other's hand and they finish their race together. Fine. So this poem tells us about the true sportsmanship. What the true sportsmanship is it clear? So children, will start this poem tomorrow. Fine, I'm sending you the summary. Write it and go through it carefully. Tomorrow we'll start with the explanation portion. Thank you.